first reaction when I came into this building was just wow.
I think the whole school community has been exceptionally excited about this.
Every single classroom we went into, I was amazed.
The school is receiving 3 upgraded teaching and learning blocks. One block which will contain around about 34 new general learning spaces, including staff common room and a staff study.
One of the things we're really looking forward to the most as teachers is the communal staff room. So we're looking forward to the support between each other and the sense of community we're going to feel. And I feel like that will be passed on to the kids with their space.
There were so many new learning spaces. I felt like we could do so much more in these areas.
One of my favourite spaces within the new build has to be the dance studio, and we do have a dance club at Concord High School, so the dance space with the bars and the mirrors will help us grow and to help us become better dancers.
My favourite part of the building is definitely the school hall. It's made all the sports possible that we always wanted to play, like volleyball, basketball and soccer.
The improvements that we have now in terms of physical space can only improve outcomes for our students even further.
With this new building, I think we'll be able to carry out more initiatives that builds bonds between different year groups and help us all to feel like one community.